Welcome back, friends. Today we learn about Manforce Staylon gel. Manforce Staylon gel contains Lidocaine and Prilocaine as the active ingredients. The gel acts as the local anesthetic, prevents premature ejaculation and rapid ejaculation in males, increases sexual activity. Key benefits: Lidocaine has a rapid onset of action and anesthesia is obtained within a few minutes, with an intermediate duration of action. Prilocaine has a slower onset of action with the slightly longer duration of action. So the combination of lidocaine and prilocaine provides a rapid onset of action, optimized penetration, maximum depth of neural block, and leisure time of onset of numbness, treat premature ejaculation in men, improve sexual performance, removes distress, frustration, and or the avoidance of the sexual intimacy. Direction for use: apply gel 20 minutes before sexual intercourse. The pain is to increase ejaculation time by 6 to 8 minutes. Apply thinly on the glans, penis, and distal shaft and covered by a condom for 20 to 25 minutes. Condom is required to minimize the effect of the cream upon vaginal sensation, as it may cause the lower sensation. If the condom is removed for intercourse, the residual cream should be washed off. The high water content of this mixture enables it to penetrate the intact skin of this penis. If you apply more than 30 minutes, there are chance of erection loss because of numbness. Indication: erectile dysfunction. That's all about Manforce Staylon gel, friends. I hope video is good for you or not good for you. Thanks, friends. Take care. Bye bye and be careful. Medicine.